All right, following up our release of the AEVents in our Traverses, we've now done it with our Traverse dress vest as well. So we've got about 6 different models now, or specs if you will, with the AEVent already in there. So for those more discerning customers that want a more dress vest or a Class A look and are already in or looking for a dress vest looking outer carrier, have we got a deal for you. So this happens to be our dress vest with laser cut, obviously center zip. Got the 2 pockets that are interior to fit your phone so they're not out of the way, as well as your notepad there. When you unzip, you'll actually end up seeing those 2 side pockets now for the plates or your upgraded air shocks or soft trauma packs there. And then we get to, yes, the AEVent. Burr technology, hyper moisture wicking will keep you cool and or warm in the winter time by getting rid of that moisture. So come see us if you're in the market for an Armor Express outer carrier at armorexpress.com.